Now this is an important topic in CSS, which is Flexbox and Grid. Grid as in everything appears in the form of rows and columns, and then there is Flexbox. Flexbox as in the the controls naturally fall into space. So I will show you the demonstration for this. This is layout techniques. Yeah. Okay. So this is the output. So there is a division class. Here there is a flex item, 3 flex items. There is a grid container and 3 grid items. Okay. So now for the flex container, I have specified the display as flex, gap as 10 pixels. So here you are seeing the gap. Background color of is this color. Padding is 10 pixel. Here. Now for the flex item, padding is 20 pixel, width is specified as 100 pixels. So 20, 100 and another 20, it became 140 here. I think gap is the gap between the two flex items. So I think, yeah, it's the distance between the two flex items. And then padding and the width is padding between the content and the border. Width is the width of the content. Text aligned at the center and color is specified as white, and that's why I'm seeing this A, B and C in white. And the background color is specified. Then there is grid container. Now grid, I have given display as grid. Grid template columns as auto and auto. So basically I have specified here that automatically they should be occupying the spaces. Gap is 10 pixels as you can see here. Padding is also 10 pixels. Margin at the top is 20 pixels. So this margin is 20 pixels. Let me reduce it and show it to you all. How does it appear? Margin here at the top is 20 pixels. This is 20 pixels. Okay. Then there is grid item. Again, similar set of formatting that is applied here. Background color, padding and text align. Now you will see that for the grid container, it occupies the entire grid. Whereas in the flex container, these automatically fall into space accordingly. So here, this is about Flexbox and grid container. Then the next one is